Hey guys, welcome back to Learn with Maktum. So in this video I'm going to show you how can you add border to your HTML elements. Okay? So without wasting time, let's try to jump into it. First go to VS Code, create a new file, name it as border.html. Okay? Change the title to borders. Okay, so write some content in the body tag. I will use paragraph. I will write some content. Okay, so I have written this content. I will run this with live server. Here you can see this content. My name is Maktum. I am from Karnataka. Okay, so for this paragraph, I want to add a border. How can we do that? Okay, so for that we are going to write some CSS stuff. Okay, so we can write in any way. I have already discussed there are different ways of writing CSS. So if you have not watched that video, in the description I have given the link. Go and watch it. So in this code I'm going to use external CSS. That is, I'm going to create one more file. I will name it as border style.css. Okay, now we have to write that CSS code. Okay, so we want to add border to what? We want to add border to the paragraph element. Yes. Okay, so how can we add that? There is something called as border style. Okay, so there is something called as border style. There are different styles available. It may be solid border or dashed border, dotted border. Okay, firstly we will use solid. Okay, yes, save it. Now when I run this HTML page, there will be no effect. Why? Because I have not linked the two files. That file I have not linked with HTML. For that, use link tag. Okay, hyperreference should be what? Border style dot css. Yes, now you can check your Google page. Yes, there is a border around it. Yes. Okay, now I want it to be a bit what wider one. How can we increase the width of it? There is something called as border width. You can have border width, I'll say 5 pixel. Okay, you can see the width here. Yes. Okay, now I want to change the color. For that there's something called as border color. I'll say red. Save it. Yes, you can see the changes. Okay, now here I have written 3 lines of code. Yes, here I have written 3 lines of code. We can write these 3 lines of code into one line by simply saying border. First you can mention the style, that is solid space the width space color. Okay, now what I will do is I will remove these 3 lines of code. Okay, now to differentiate between the older one and new one, I will change the color to blue. Okay, yes, now go to your page. Yes, those three lines are replaced with only one attribute. Okay, we can write separately, no problem, but this is a simpler one. We can write a single line in which all the three properties are included. Okay, there is no compulsion that we have to write in this way only. You can write in any way. First you can specify the width, color, then the type. Okay, but for our convention I'm specifying first the style, then the width, then the color. Okay, I hope I'm clear with this border property. So this is all about this video. In the next video we are going to see some more CSS stuff. So I hope you like this video, and I am going to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.